Today we're at Fairbrook Naze, photographing this incredible rock formation at sunset. Welcome back to the channel. We are heading up Fairbrook onto Kinder Plateau. There's a really nice rock formation up there that I want to get some shots of. So we're going to do the sunset, camp, then sunrise. See which one works out better. I know at sunset the rock is going to get lit up, but for sunrise it's going to be in the opposite side. I'm hoping we'll get a little cloud inversion. The last time I came here I did walk all the way up this clough, basically following the waterfall, and there is a bit of a scramble at the top, but we're running low on time, so we're taking the quick route, which is straight up the side and over the top. It should take no more than 45 minutes from here, which is just in time for sunrise. No, just in time for sunset. We're heading up there. We did go a little bit off the path, but there is a path up here, so we're going to link up to that soon. And we've got, I think, about an hour until sunset. It's going to be a bit of a close one. I think we'll be all right though. We're almost here. We've just got to tackle this beast in front, and then we've got a little bit of time, but these clouds, I'm hoping, are going to light up beautifully. Even if we miss the sunset, there's definitely going to be a nice afterglow with some beautiful colours in the sky, and there'll still be a soft glow on the rock anyway, so it's not the end of the world. And then we've got sunrise to look forward to, so Millie's recording as well. Right, let's just get up here, get it done, and then I'll see you when we're at the top. We've made it, and it's actually looking much better than I expected, because these clouds almost are symmetrical to the rocks. So now we're here. I'm going to have a little walk around. I've not got too much time, but I've got enough time to find a good composition. How are you feeling?
Tired.
So I'm going to get some composition sorted out, set my camera up, and then we'll sort the tent out later, probably when it gets dark. Anyway, this is looking awesome, so I need to get some shots. The first image that I've just got, I'm not sure if it works, because I think I'm too head on with the light, which makes the rock look quite flat. So I've come to a different spot, which is a little bit closer, and what I've got here is something like this. I'm using the shadow down here that leads you into this rock, and then because I am at a bit of an angle, it's just got more depth to it, and then it points you into the rest of the landscape, which has got a nice soft glow on it at the moment. And again, the sky just looks perfect. So I'll show you my settings. I'm just shooting at ISO 100 f8, and the wind's quite calm, so I'm just letting it do its thing. And then 2-second timer. I do like getting a shot at this angle, but I think it might just be a little bit too cluttered. So when I got that other shot before over there, it's a lot more simplistic. Oops, let's have a look down here though, see if there's anything else, because we might be able to get lower down and separate it from the land, which might look cool. I've also got to be careful of my shadow now, which is appearing. Really like this rock as well that leads up to it, so it might be worth trying to incorporate that somehow. I'm shooting at 50mm. I'm not sure if this works. Up to 70, I think that works. I don't like it. Maybe up here. No, I prefer shooting wider and getting a bit closer. Maybe try and get some ferns in the front. I just don't want it to be too complicated because I want the focus to be on the rock and the sky. Wow, look at the sun.
Yeah.
Have a look at that. That is awesome. The light's gone and, well, the sun's gone down. The light's not gone in terms of hiking, but the light's gone in terms of photography. So, we're gonna get the tent up. This is the OEX Fox 2, which is a great beginner's tent. I've had it for a couple of years now. It's the only one I've ever had. I do want to get an upgrade soon because I'm going to get some trekking poles and I want to get something that's a bit more lightweight and use the poles to put it in place. I've had this tent in some brutal conditions before. Took it to the lakes on top of Buttermere. The bothy was full. Luckily I had my tent with me, so I pitched that up on the side, but it was like 50 mile an hour, 60 mile an hour. Whoa! Get the camera out! The moon's rising. Oh, wait, can I get it behind? Press the button, 1, 2, 3. Come on, quick, 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 quick. Wow. This is what I've got. Wow.
That's so cool.
The sky's so good over there and we're setting up here. This is amazing. Let's carry on getting the tent set up. That was unexpected. What a lovely surprise. Anyway, we need to get in here, get some food. We've got a pot noodle, we've both got a protein pot noodle from Aldi. And then we've got a protein yogurt with like chocolate balls. And that moon is incredible. And then in the morning we've got porridge.
Have we?
Yes.
How many porridges did we get?
2.
I think we did.
I've got one in my bag.
Oh, I was going to say, I think we only bought 2.
Yeah, we have got 2, 1 each.
Yeah. So how are we having one now? Oh no, noodles.
This is what we've got to deal with.
Hey!
Just to get a thumbnail, I'll take a screenshot of this. Like this.
No, that's so great.
We're going to make some noodles and then get up very early for the sunrise. This is a cool setup. This might be one of my favourite camps I've done. Good morning. We didn't sleep very well. It's very cold. But we're going to get up and photograph the sunrise. Right, the sky's probably going to light up soon. So I'm just walking around without my camera to start with. See if I can find a composition. Something a little bit different from last night. I found my shot. Do that. I need to be quick though, and I need to focus stack. So I'm gonna get 3 shots focusing on here, then 3 shots on the rock. I'm gonna change my settings to f13 instead of f8. Wow, that sun looks amazing. And then I'm gonna focus on the sky as well, just in case, because I don't want to miss this. That might be the shot. I'm quite happy with the composition that I've got there. So all I'm doing now is waiting for these clouds to light up a little bit more. They're nearly there. I'd say another minute and we'll have the shot. But the sun is now getting past all the haze, so it's really glowing. I think this is going to be a really good shot. Well, I think that might be the best of the light gone, and it still looks incredible, but I've got all my shots that I need and that I want. But it's not the end of the video yet, because on the way down we're going to go down the waterfall trail. First I need to get some breakfast, so I've got some porridge to make, and that's me. It's pretty cold, so I'm going to get back in the tent and try and warm myself up. We're all packed up and ready to go, and as always, leave no trace. This place is not short of rock formations, and there's a lot more that I need to explore, especially all around the edges of the Kinder Plateau. This place here would look incredible sort of at the back end of August, when all the heather comes out and the ferns are a little bit more overgrown, so they're overhanging the water. And I can also get this at sunrise because it will come up here. So I'm keeping that in the notebook for now. But until then, I'm going to get home, get a coffee, and edit this video and get it up as soon as I can for you. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I will leave you with this amazing view.